Ceramic spray coatings are some of the most misunderstood products. People are either using them wrong or expecting the wrong results. So in this video, what I'm gonna show you is how to use Toughest Shell correctly and how you can get the best results possible. Toughest Shell is a real ceramic spray coating that is designed for not only an easy application, but also extreme durability. It's meant to kind of bridge that gap between a wax and a full-blown ceramic coating. So while it will not last 5 years, there are reports of this lasting 6 months plus with a single application. And so I'm gonna walk you through who this is for, who it might not be for, and then I'm gonna take you outside and show you exactly how to use it, and even a couple off-label uses that I personally use for my cars. This is really meant for everyone from a DIYer who's kind of tiptoeing into ceramic coatings, doesn't want a full-blown ceramic, they don't want to mess anything up. It's meant for the pro who is going to top up a ceramic coating, who wants to add an additional layer of robust protection on top of an already wipe-on ceramic coating. So regardless of the brand of kind of small bottle wipe-on coating, you could use Toughest Shell on top of that. It is really meant for anyone who wants like extreme water beading behavior, wants really good durability and protection from the elements, something that's going to be a lot more robust than like a traditional wax. Again, not as quite robust as a wipe-on small bottle ceramic coating, but it's really meeting that gap in between. Someone who's looking for 3 to 6 plus months worth of protection, wants to see that really good gloss that you get from like a carnauba wax, but wants an easy application that you could use in direct sun, you could use in the shade, you can kind of use wherever, and you can use on all surfaces. So this works on glass, paint, trim, even inside your vehicle as well. And so let's show you how to use it. So the best time to use Toughest Shell, or the best time to apply it, is after you have completely washed your car. Now, optional things are decontaminating the car, polishing the car. Kind of the more prep you put into it, the more you're gonna get out of it. But you do not have to do any of those steps with Toughest Shell. You can go on a completely just clean surface, right? So, and more is not more with Toughest Shell. So all you really need is 1 to 2 sprays per panel, something like that. And then I will use one of our softer than soft microfiber towels, rub it in. Again, no pressure at all, just kind of letting the product, or letting the towel work in the product. And then once you wipe it in with one side of the towel, you have an option to just flip the towel and kind of buff. It doesn't haze up, it doesn't do anything. In fact, it just kind of disappears. Does not streak. As you can see, I'm using it in direct sunlight. And that's it for application. So you are gonna notice immediately slickness under the towel when you're applying it. It's gonna get slick right away. It's going to give you that gloss that you're looking for, and it's also gonna be extremely hydrophobic right away. You can expose it to the elements right away. You don't have to tuck it in your garage for any amount of time at all. Like I said, you could do it out in direct sun. You're not gonna get streaks or anything like that. And you can just work your way down the whole car. As your towel starts to get saturated, you will only need to do 1 spray per panel. If you start to get streaks, and you'll feel it in your towel, it means that your towel is too saturated with product. And so you either need to just flip to a new towel, or expect that you're gonna get more and more streaks, or spray less product. So like on this panel, I would only do 1 spray because it's already starting to build up and I don't wanna get streaks. So again, no pressure at all, just kind of rubbing it in. And it really applies like a quick detail spray, which has been what most reviews have said. They can't believe how easy it is to use this product, because it really is just that easy. So once you do that, again, your car will be protected. It'll be really shiny, especially if you have like a metallic. And my favorite time to use it is after a car wash. It's really nice as it does work on glass. So if you're looking for that hydrophobic effect on glass, again, all you need to do is 1 spray on the glass, use your towel, and the same rules apply onto the paintwork. Is you will use the first side to spray it on, and then the second side to buff it off. And if you do see a little bit of streaking on there, just flip to a drier side of your towel and just work those streaks off. And that glass is well protected, and you're good to go. Now, I already washed this car, but there is a method to use Toughest Shell as a drying aid. So if your car is wet, and say you're going to dry your car for this example, say you just washed it, you rinsed off the soap. Again, the same rules apply. It's just 1 or 2 sprays per panel while the car is wet. And then you would take either your big drying towel, or for this example, just the softer than soft drying towels, and you would just rub it in with that, just like that. But again, same rules apply. You're not gonna get any streaks. You're not gonna have any issues. The only thing that you will need to know is that you might see a slight difference in durability. So because it is being diluted down with the water on the panel and you're really using it for a different reason, you're using it for a drying aid, you may see a decrease in durability, or you might not see the extreme durability that you would applying it to a dry panel. So if durability is your main thing that you're looking for, what I would highly suggest is doing an initial layer on a dry car, and then on your next wash or anything like that, then start using it as a drying aid so you have that base layer of it. Which brings up another great point, is that toughest shell is layerable. So a question that I get asked a lot is, how often can I use it? Because you see, I shot for durability, but durability is really far down the list from other attributes that people love. And so toughest shell can be used as frequently as you want. Me personally, I use it every time I wash my car. So I'm doing it once a week because I love the shine, I love the gloss, I love the slickness, I love how easy it makes washing the car the next time, and especially if I'm going on a road trip or anything like that, where I know that the car is going to get really dirty. I love having a fresh layer of protection on the car before I go out on that trip. So you can layer it as many times as you want. You can use it as frequently as you want. I would say though, the more frequently you use it, the less you're going to need to use. So again, if you're topping up your car weekly or bi-weekly or even once a month, 1 spray per panel is all you're gonna need. So 1 to 2 ounces should get you around the whole entire car without any issues at all. But that is how you could use toughest shell: dry, wet. You could use it on rims, you could use it on glass, and there's one more area that I really like that I'll show you right now. One of my favorite off-label uses for toughest shell is to actually use it on the inside of the car, because most car seats, even when they're leather, they're just clear-coated leather, and so it gives a very factory sheen. It doesn't make it slick, and it really eliminates me needing another product. So how I use it on interiors is I will do maybe 4 or 5 sprays onto a towel, and then I will just rub it into the seat like this. And it doesn't attract dust. You really can't even see yourself applying it, but it just gives a very uniform, nice factory matte sheen to the seats. And because they're factory clear coat, it's actually protecting the seats. And I don't stop there. I'll do the steering wheel with it. I'll do the dashboard with it. I will use it everywhere on the interior, and I actually use it as like an interior detailer. So it's one of my favorite off-label uses for toughest shell. I love the way it makes my seats feel. I get compliments all the time on my interior and how like just factory it looks. I'll use it on the door panels. Again, it doesn't add any shine. It just makes it look very matte, very factory, and it's actually protecting all these surfaces as well, because the formula is actually bonding to the clear coat that is in the seats. Again, one of my very favorite off-label uses for toughest shell. And then one of my last favorite ways to use toughest shell is when I get down to about 50% of the bottle of the concentrated toughest shell, which is how it comes, I will fill the rest of it up with distilled water or deionized water, and then I earmark the front of the label 1:1. So this is toughest shell cut 1:1, and I will use this as a whole host of other ways too. So this can become my clay lube. So on a dry surface, if I didn't clay the car during the wash process, I will use my 1:1 bottle as clay lube, spray the whole surface, clay bar the car, then you sealed and clayed your car in one step. You do not have the durability that you would get from the full concentration of toughest shell, but it is a way to get like a ceramic detail spray, a clay lube. You could even use the glass like this. You could spray the glass like this. You could even use it like this on the paintwork or trim or interior detailer. It again works in a whole host of different ways, diluted 1:1. It's a way to get your product to stretch a little bit further. But honestly, if you're looking for the fastest and the easiest way to apply ceramic protection anywhere on your car, inside, outside. As I just demoed, toughest shell is the way to do it. It is kind of my baby, my pride and joy. This is also, I failed to mention this earlier, but this is a water-based formula, so there is no smell to it. It's not going to make your whole shop smell, your garage smell. It's not going to make you smell, and it actually has a very nice, if you choose to not wear gloves, your hands actually get really, really soft after using the formula. So it's a very gentle formula, non-toxic. It's not going to, make you cough again, not make your shop smell. It's just a simple, fast, and easy way to put ceramic protection on your car. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. That is how you could get the most out of toughest shell. Thanks for watching. See ya.